Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making rolled eggplant with garlic and yogurt sauce. To make this, we're going to need some eggplants. I have about 4 of them here, of which 2 of them I have sliced long ways down to 3 parts. We're going to need some oil. We're also going to need some yogurt. Any kind will do as long as it's not flavored. Salt and pepper. Couple of cloves of garlic and dill. We'll be right back. I have a heavy set pan here with just a little bit of oil in it, just enough to cover the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my eggplants face down. We're going to go ahead and fry these. And then once they are golden brown, we're going to go ahead and turn them. Get a plate with some paper towels in it ready, because what you want to do is once they're ready, you want to blotch it on the paper towel plate so that you don't have too much oil. We'll be right back. We have flipped our eggplants over, and you want your salt and pepper ready to go. Once the other side cooks, you want to take it out, blotch it on the paper towel plate, and do salt and pepper right away. Alright, our eggplants are done. We're going to go ahead and make one of the sauces now. What we have in here is about 3 tablespoons of yogurt with grated garlic cloves, and we're going to go ahead and add some dill to the garlic and yogurt sauce. And then we're going to go ahead and do salt and pepper. Just a dash of each. And then you want to give the yogurt a good mix. You can add as much dill as you like and as much garlic as you like, completely up to you. Then we're going to go ahead and take the yogurt and spread it on the eggplants that do not have the skins on them. So I have some eggplants that do have the skin on them. Some of them do not have the skin on them. So we're going to go ahead and put it in one of them. Spread it nice with the back of the spoon all the way. And then you want to gently roll it. And you want to do this to all the eggplants, and then you can garnish it with additional dill, and it's good to go. This is the second dipping sauce for the eggplants with the skin on them. We have 1 lemon squeezed in with 1 clove of garlic and just a splash of about 1.5 tablespoons of water. And there you have it. It's another dipping sauce for the eggplant. It goes well wonderfully. Here we have the finished product. It makes for a wonderful presentation. It is very delicious, and if you love eggplants, this one is for you. Try both of the sauces and see which one you like best. I personally like both of them equally. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back soon for more.